In business terms, assets and liabilities often appear together. They are the two fundamental elements that shape the financial health of your business and make up your company's balance sheet. Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss the difference between assets and liabilities. What are assets? Assets are resources, tangible and intangible, that your business owns, and that can provide you with future economic benefit. They add value to your business, they can help you meet your commitments, and increase your equity. Here are examples of different types of business assets. Current assets. Those with a shorter lifespan and easily transferable into cash. Some examples of current assets are cash or cash equivalents, receivables, deposit accounts, money orders, checks, bank drafts, marketable securities, short-term investments, inventory, stocks, and prepaid expenses. Fixed assets. Intended for long-term use and unlikely to convert quickly into cash. Some examples of fixed assets are property, plants, equipment, tools and machinery, furniture, and long-term investments. Tangible assets. The physical, material and financial resources of your business. Some examples of tangible assets are cash, stocks, buildings, land, office equipment, machinery, and vehicles. Intangible assets. Resources without material substance, but with clear business value. Some examples of intangible assets are intellectual property, trade secrets, licenses, franchises, reputation, brand, and goodwill. For a successful business, you should ideally own a combination of current, tangible, and intangible assets to secure a good cash flow, effective processes, and long-term value. What are liabilities? Liabilities are your business debts or obligations which you need to fulfill in the future. This is the money you need to repay, the goods you need to provide or the services you need to perform. These responsibilities arise out of past transactions and need to be settled through the company's assets. Here are some different types of business liabilities. Current liabilities. Those due within the present accounting year. Some examples of current liabilities are bank overdrafts, accounts payable, payments to your suppliers, sales taxes, payroll taxes, income taxes, wages, short-term loans, and outstanding expenses. Non-current liabilities. Those financial obligations that are not due for settlement within 1 year during the normal course of business, also known as long-term liabilities. Some examples of non-current liabilities are bonds payable, capital leases, mortgage debt, long-term borrowing, pension liabilities, deferred revenues and taxes, securities, such as stock shares or bonds, and notes payable. You need to take into consideration both your assets and your liabilities to accurately reflect your business financial position. The importance of assets in business. They generate value, they increase your business value, and they help the running of your business. You can sell or transfer assets, use them to lower your tax bill and increase the efficiency of your business. Understanding the importance of assets can help you achieve potential savings. In some cases, for example, leasing assets such as machinery, cars or furniture may be cheaper than buying them outright. You should look after your assets to help reduce risk to your business. For instance, maintaining production machinery can help protect your business from health and safety risks, inefficiency and lost working time. Asset protection is about protecting your personal and business assets from the threat of business liabilities. So in conclusion, assets are the resources that make you money and liabilities are the resources that take your money. Helping people provide a solid foundation for a more secure financial future. One video at a time. We appreciate you tuning in and hope to see you again soon. Hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to click on one of our other videos. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and do hit the bell icon on your way out. See you all next time on Top 5 Hive.